Hey, it's Big Al again. This time we're back at cooking. So when we come to cooking, when we come to eating, having the right alcohol per drink is the way to go. So today we're doing my style of potato bake. So I reckon Talaska Storm Scotch on rocks. That'll get us going. So my style of potato bake is slightly different to most people, but easy to go. First you need your baking tray. I've already peeled the potatoes and that. A little bit of cream, you need moisture on the bottom. So moist is good. Always got to have it moist. If it's not moist, it ain't going to cook properly. And actually I'm in a borrowed kitchen, so I'm just winging it. So just move your cream around, make sure it covers all the bottom, the sides. You probably could use something like spray oil or margarine, but cream is more decadent. It tastes better too. Fresh cream's probably better, but I'm using thickened cream today. Use what you got. So start with there. You gotta cut your spuds in slices. I'm not sure whether I've got enough for the job at hand, but we'll make do. And try not to cut your fingers, because guess what, that hurts. So what we're trying to do is eventually get a layer across the bottom. Bit like playing a computer game, Tetro or something to that effect. One more. Trying to keep them even, which I'm not good at. If you have one of those silly little slice machines, probably works better. That one's a bit thick, eh? That one's too thick. Then it cooks uneven. There we go. Stick that sucker in the corner. Let's cool down. A good smoky Scotch. Now, the main difference I do, I use a bit of sweet potato just to jazz things up. When I went out before, they didn't have the big thick ones, which would probably do better than this. And no, I'm not a good slicer. So, but like I've said before, my cooking is all about, if I can do it, any idiot can do it. Oops. Should I do the 10-second rule there or not? I reckon having the it's just been cheating on me, eh? I reckon the sweet potato gives it a little bit more pizzazz and puts fibre into it, and a few more extra vitamins and minerals as well. There we go. So sprinkle a bit of sweet potato around, cover up the holy bits in the middle. That's probably the best way to do it, eh? What do I think of that? Up the sides, just go generous, go 8 with it. Excellent. Now the question is, how much do you like garlic? because the next section is put a bit of garlic over it, eh? I just buy the minced garlic. What did I do with my spoon before? I think I lost it. Oh, I'll get another one. So, be generous with your garlic. It will spread as it gets heat. I mean, you can go flash if you want and mince the garlic yourself or cut it up yourself, but it takes too bloody long. It takes out of drinking time. This is a good thing to serve at a barbecue or Sunday roast time, eh? And from there, real bacon is better, but bacon bits will do the good job, depends on how much time you want with it. And for me, I cheat. So, spread some bacon bits around. Life's better with bacon. Bit of cheese. The good thing is, I'm going to empty this packet so it doesn't matter if I put my teeth on it. Bacon and cheese. Love it. Bit more cream over the top. And guess what, folks? I have not followed a recipe. This is just garbage out of my own head, which you can probably tell. I heard a while ago someone was watching one of my cooking videos and was yelling at me because I was doing it the wrong way through the video. Not that I could hear them doing it, but... So we go layer up and layer up and layer. The other thing I've forgotten is onion. So I might put some onion in the middle. Like I said before, don't cut your bloody fingers. I don't like that concept at all. But keeps my hands smooth if I drink more. So, finish doing this layer. Get it out to the sides, put some in the middle, close up any gaps. That can go there. Okay, because I've still got one spud left. I'm going to cheat and use already prepped onions. It doesn't look cooked onions. Raw tastes like shit, but cooked they taste good. So a few extra doesn't hurt. Okay, I cheated there. I should have done that before in the middle round, but a bit more sweet potato. Gets the fibre happening, gets the flavour happening. And that's what cooking's all about. Getting something with good flavour in it, so then you get to pig out on it later. I have to steal this kitchen again. The knives are better than mine. Hope no one recognises this kitchen. They might think I've broken into their house. don't tell anyone. Imagine coming home, find out someone's broken into your house, cooked your dinner, and left it there for you. That'd be the weirdest, wouldn't it? Well, I know certain people, if they see this video, they'll be saying, "Why didn't you cook it for me?" I didn't cook it for you because it's too damn good. If you want it, you cook it yourself. Having said that, that's the first time I've actually cooked it myself. Yep. Get it in there. Get it happening. Okay. Bit more bacon bits. I'll use the last of this. Doesn't hurt. Like I said before, bacon is life. Go generous, go hard, live long, prosper. A bit more cheese. Okay, I'll put the onions on first, hey? I'll remember the onions this time. A few more onions. Then I'll do the cheese, then I'll do the cream. There we go. Bob's your uncle. Well, it may not be, but who cares? There's a hollow bit there. I might have to find something to fill that up. Okay, rubbish away. Open up another packet. Cut in these corners. So there we go. Chuck some more cream over it. Get the sides. Okay, final layer. I've only got the one potato left. Carrot, what the hell am I thinking of? I need another drink. Yep. Oh, hang on, forgetful. Well, in these times of COVID, garlic. Garlic helps the immune system. Also helps the heart, so if you have a bit too much, just think it's healthy for you. Grin and bear it. Oh, miles too thick. Try and get that safely. Remember safety first, people. So when I finish it off, and make sure you've got the correct RL all over your thingo. You don't need low spots. So anyone who's in the mining game will know low spots are no good, especially with the dozer operators. Build it up in the low spots. Get a good RL happening. Otherwise the shift boss might go cranky at you. we go. And for the final layer, I don't have any, just a whisker of onion. Just a fine sprinkle for the final layer, eh? I've probably already got enough garlic in it. So, one layer is just that. Get rid of the last of the cream. Just gently over the... Yeah, I might save some cream for coffee, eh? Just leave enough just for coffee. And then a good generous layer of cheese over the top. That helps twofold. Who doesn't like a nice cheesy top? And seal it in so it cooks on the inside. Meal fit for a king. A little bit down the middle, cover that cream up. Okay, there you go. So what we'll do is we'll chuck that in the oven and then turn it back on and show you. So what I've done is also preheated it to 180 degrees. You put it in, that's what looks, well, I thought I had, didn't turn on. But anyway, I'll put it on, turn it on, and we'll get back to you. Excellent.
And
is it counting? Okay folks, let's see how this thing goes. Oh yeah, looking awesome. That is a potato bake. What do you reckon about that? Now, yep, well guess what folks, I've probably had a couple of drinks. So, this is the bomb, okay? Your potato, bacon, which is life, sweet potato, normal potato, garlic. You are going to mouth water, you are going to love it. And as I said before, this is the perfect drink to go with it. Talaska Storm, single malt smoky scotch. So, hope you all enjoy. Cheers, big ears. Have a good one.